Hello, my fellow engineers. This is Tagoe once again. In my last video, I explained to you about communication and how important it is in the life of an engineer when you transition into a leadership role. Today, I'm going to talk to you about another very important topic, and that has to do with delegation and control. In my experience, I realized that I was found wanting in this area, and I couldn't find the right balance between delegation and control. I couldn't find the right balance between the activities that I have to delegate and the activities that I have to do by myself. And even if I delegate, I had challenges with how much I should delegate and how much control I should have. And I believe that all this has to do with the mindset. And so for me, what I believe is that the first thing to do is to change your mindset as an engineer. First of all, you have to believe that it is time to let go. You have to learn to let go. You have to accept the need for delegation, because this is very important as a leader. As a leader, you cannot do everything. You have to use your team to accomplish results. So I would want to say, first of all, change your mindset and let go and embrace the fact that you have to delegate. Okay? The second thing that I want to talk about is that you have to develop confidence in your subordinates. Sometimes we tend not to trust the people that we are working with as engineers, and I believe that you have to learn or you have to accept and to begin to develop the confidence in your subordinates. However, there's one caveat here. You must trust your subordinates, but then you must also verify. It's very important so that you don't delegate, hook, line, and sinker. The third point that I want to talk about is, which is very important, is that you need to choose the right person for the right job. This is very critical because sometimes we tend to delegate, but then we do not give the right job to the right person. And when you do this, you will not be efficient. I mean, the output of the team will not be optimal. It will be suboptimal. And another very important point is that when you delegate, you need to delegate both responsibility and authority. What I've seen in my experience is that we tend to delegate, or people tend to delegate the responsibilities, but then they fail to delegate the authority. So effectively what happens is that they have not delegated at all. And so I want to stress this point, that when you delegate, you should delegate both responsibility and authority. And finally, I want to say that when you delegate responsibilities, you have to agree on deadlines, you have to agree on the goals, and you have to agree on the expectations. These are my thoughts for now, and stay tuned. I will come with another video in order to help you as an engineer to transition from an engineering role or from an engineering mindset to a leadership role and a leadership mindset. Stay tuned.